How to convert color image to black and white in Gimp 2.10. So let's get started. First of all, the first way in which you can convert your image to grayscale in GIMP is by changing the color mode of the entire document, and this will convert your entire image to black and white. It should be noted that using this method, although the simplest option produces a permanent change. This is an option that should only be used if you simply want to convert a single image to black and white. Often time when users says they want to make an image black and white with GIMP, what they really want to do is convert it to grayscale. The image here depicts the difference between the two, grayscale and black and white. The first way in which you can convert your image to grayscale in GIMP is by changing the color mode of the entire document. To do so, simply navigate to Image, tap on the mode and tap on the grayscale. This will convert your entire image to black and white. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.